Yo, what's up guys? In today's video I'm gonna be installing some brand new headlights along with all the LEDs. Alright, so let's see how to take these off. I know the 9902 ones are, I got those memorized, super easy. These, oh, it looks even easier, just one instead of two. Oh, let me show you guys before. These are super ugly, super oxidized. Gross. I could really use a camera person, so I could use both hands, but nope. Oh man. Alright, there we go. Just unplug that. So that was my first time ever taking off these headlights, 0306 Silverados. Pretty much the same thing. This little clip right here in that corner, you just squeeze it, pops out with that old, and I'm gonna change all these bulbs, all of these to LEDs. The side marker, let me go get them. Ooh, check those beauties out. This is nice and crystal clear. Alright, so here I have 3 157 LEDs. I believe these are orange. And then I have orange 194s for the side marker. And right here I have the headlights, but I need to look up real quick. I forgot which one's the high beam and which one's the low beam. But yeah, all of these are going to be orange. And then LED and LED as well. Alright, so these are all switched out. LEDs, regular bulbs, daytime running light, turn signals. It turns out these were white. I think I never received my orange ones, but I had extra ones, so orange. Look at this. What the? Alright, just install the LEDs, headlights. There's the LED, turn signals, side marker, high beam. So 9006 is for the low beam and 9005 is for the high beam. So it's ready to, I'm ready to throw the headlights on. Let's see how it looks. LED, regular bulb, look at that. Oh shit, it's burning. Wow, that makes a huge difference. Look at that. Damn, look at the old one. Sheesh. There we have it. Nice and installed. It looks fucking amazing. Check it out. The old stock ones. All yellow, oxidized. Look at these brand new ones. Boom. LEDs all around. Let's see. These are the daytimes. 6,000 LEDs. Let me turn on the lights. Boom. Damn, that looks so much better. Let me close the hood now. Let's see, nothing here. Alright. Boom. Look at that. That's crazy how headlights can make such a huge difference. It's actually the same day that I recorded the video of me presenting this truck. I already had these headlights. Damn, that looks so much better. Look at that. Wow. Cat eyes look beautiful. Oh yeah, my first cat eye. I forgot to say that as well. Sheesh. This is probably my favorite part of the whole install. Boom. I remember on my 02, I had a clip of doing this, and oh no, it turned out I wasn't even recording. I was so sad. Damn, look at that. I can't get over how good this front end looks just with headlights. It's literally stock front end. The whole truck stock still, I should say. So yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. crystal clear headlights on the 06 Silverado. LEDs all around. And hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment what you think, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.